Welcome to our channel. Adventure sports create thrilling memories, but safety should always come first. Step 1. Choose reputable operators with proper licenses and certifications. Step 2. Read online reviews and ask other travelers about their experiences. Step 3. Verify that your travel insurance covers the specific adventure activity. Step 4. Check equipment thoroughly before use and don't hesitate to request replacements if something looks worn. Step 5. Listen carefully to all safety briefings and ask questions if anything is unclear. Step 6. Be honest about your fitness level and experience when signing up. Step 7. Follow all instructions from guides and instructors without deviation. Step 8. Know your limits and don't let peer pressure push you beyond your comfort zone. Step 9. Check weather conditions and be willing to postpone if conditions are unsafe. Step 10. Inform someone not participating about your plans and expected return time. Step 11. Stay hydrated and well rested before attempting physically demanding activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.